Thanks again guys for joining Brush Art Arena. Hope you have subscribed to our channel. In this video I am showcasing you how I have created the mentioned scenery, starting with the already created blue circle. On the new layer I am creating trees near mountain, so just creating some raw structure over here. It will look more clear once you see the mountains behind them. Our mountains are ready here. Now adding some blending to sky. For adding natural looking cloud in Procreate, it by default provides you cloud brush present in elements brush library. So we are using it for adding clouds over here. You just need to resize your brush and select the color whatever you need and you are good to go. Now creating edges of the river. Make sure you are getting a look like water is coming from a far distance near mountains. Dropping sky blue color here. Creating waterfall. And I have used a cloud brush only for creating the water vapors present all over the waterfall. Now adding some rocky surface near river. Now we have to create trees present in cold area. As you can see, snow is present over the mountains. Creating trunk of trees in the form of straight lines with studio pen and then using Arora Brush for the leaves. You have to do the same for all the trees. Now last but not the least, moon and my signature. So creating moon over here, correcting its edges and my signature. Thanks a lot guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.